Good morning to all. In today's class, we will see about S parameters. So far we have seen X, Y, Z and ABCD parameters. So in those sessions, we have seen that all these parameters are only low frequency parameters. It cannot be applicable for high frequency circuits. So when you go for a high frequency circuit, high frequency microwave circuits, then you need S parameters. So in today's class we will see about the S parameters. So let's take a two-port network. So it's a two-port network. So we will be sending a voltage, an incident voltage. Let it be A1. So this incident voltage goes into the two-port network and it will be reflected back as B1. Similarly, we can apply another incident wave called A2. It will be also entering into port 2 and it will also come out as reflected wave B2. Now the voltage of this port is represented as V1. Similarly, the voltage of this port is represented as V2. So the total voltage V1 is equal to this incident plus this reflected. So V1 is equal to A1 plus B1 and V2 is equal to A2 plus B2. Now to find the scattering parameters, we need to form a matrix called S matrix. So the basic or the general S matrix is represented as B equal to S into A. So here this B represents the reflected wave or the reflected voltage. A represents the incident voltage and S represents the S parameters. So here it's a two-port network, so we can write it. So B is nothing but the reflected wave. So here you have two reflected waves, B1 and B2 is equal to S. So it can be written as S11, S12, S21, S22 into A. A is nothing but the incident waves, A1 and A2. So A1 and A2. Now we can do matrix multiplication and we can form two equations. So B1 is equal to S11 into A1 plus S12 into A2. Similarly, B2 is equal to S21 into A1 plus S22 into A2. Now this S11, S12, S21 and S22, these are the S parameters. Now our role is to find out what is S11, what is S12, what is S21 and what is S22. So like what we have seen earlier, to find S11 and S21 we should make this term equal to 0. That means we want to make A2 equal to 0. So when A2 equal to 0, B1 is equal to S11 into A1. So S11 is equal to B1 by A1 when A2 is equal to 0. Similarly, B2 is equal to S21 into A1. So S21 is equal to B2 by A1 when A2 is equal to 0. Now we can make this term 0 to find out what is S12 and what is S22. So when A1 is equal to 0, B1 is equal to S12 into A2. So S12 is equal to B1 by A2 when A1 is equal to 0. Similarly, you can apply this same condition here. So you will get B2 is equal to S22 into A2. So S22 is equal to B2 by A2. So we have found out the scattering parameters S11, S12, S21 and S22. Okay. So for a two-port network we have written like this. So for if you are going to find out for n number of ports, then you can write B1, B2, etc. Bn is equal to S11, S12, etc. S1n, S21, S22, etc. S2n. Similarly, Sn1, Sn2, Snn into A1, A2, etc. A. So this is all about S parameters. So the main thing you want to remember in S parameter is applicable for only high frequency signals or high frequency networks. So we have a two-port network. A1 is the incident wave and B1 is the reflected wave. A2 is the incident wave and B2 is the reflected wave. So the total voltage V1 is equal to A1 plus B1 and V2 is equal to A2 by A2 plus B2. The S matrix can be generally represented as B equal to S into A, where B is the reflected voltage, A is the incident voltage and S is the S parameters. So we can write it like this. We can do matrix multiplication and we can get two equations. So by simplifying this equation, we can find out what is S11, what is S12, what is S21 and what is S22. In general, for n number of port, we can write the S parameters like this and we can find out what are the various S parameters. So that's all for today. Thank you.